Hey guys, I'm Jessie Goforth and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video because we ain't done one in forever. So what we have today is two little poopeez and they come in little toilet paper rolls. We have two of the My Little Ponies and we also have a Shopkins mini pack to open. So we're going to start with the poopeez, and it says in each one there's two, and right here it says I seen on YouTube. So with that being said, let's start opening them. It's the most weirdest way to open a package. Okay, whoa. Okay, so when we first open it, we got the list of every single one of them. As you can see, there's really not that many. And then you actually have this paper around it that says poopeez. So we're going to tear it off. Oh, okay. In the world? Okay, there's two compartments, one right here and one right here. So we're going to open. Oh my goodness. We got this little guy, and his name is, where are you? His name is poopeez, is his name. Can you take it apart by the half? I don't know, but put you back in there. And our other one looks like a little devil. And this one is called Dumpling. There's a little Triton there, so okay, interesting. It's like as soon as you open them, they won't shut back. Oh well. So on to the next. These are actually really cute. I've never gotten the roll before. I got in the porta potty. Yeah. Okay, this one is weird. This one is Agent number 2. Weird name. Agent. And this one is, oh, it's kind of a little buff guy. Pooper Man, just like Spider-Man, but he's Pooper Man. Oh my goodness. Weird. So we're going to set those aside, and we're going to open the My Little Pony next. So, chop, 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 chop. So here's the list that you can get, and by the looks of that, we got little Applejack. I don't know what she's doing, but little Applejack is what we got. What is this? Oh. And in this one, we have Twilight Sparkle. Oh my god, I love the little wings on her. So beautiful. Okay, last but not least, we have the Shopkins mini pack to open. First, we're going to start with the one that we see, okay, find her name. We have Wendy Wedding Cake, and she is common. I love how they done the little details on her. And she also came in this little box, which is so adorable because it actually fits a wedding cake. Oh, she's gonna have to lay down. Get down, Wendy. There we go. Okay, next we have Sweet Treats, a little baggie. Shoot. It's always a hassle getting these open. In this bag, we have Miss Twist, and she is common. So she's like a little Twizzler. How cute. I think the wedding cake's going to be my favorite. Next, we have Tasty Snacks. These are hard to open. Okay, okay. We have Crispy Crunch, and he is common. We're getting all the common ones. Get like an ultra rare. That would be awesome. Okay, next we have frozen veggies. These are like the most cutest little packs ever. These are easier to open. These are easier to open. My nose. I think we got like a little onion. Let me find it. What the heck? This one is Garlic Rose, and she is common. We're getting a lot of commons. Kind of makes me upset. So we're getting is common. Thank goodness this one's in the same category. I want a carrot. The carrot one is really, really cute. This one is Sweet Pea, and it's a little thing of 3 little peas, which is so adorable. And she is also common. I really do want the carrot though. So these are our last 2 that we have no idea what they are. So, okay, this one is Quick Eats in a little takeout box. These are always the cutest. see what you are. Okay, let's find you. Oh, snap, I forgot that one. This one is Netty Sketty, and he is ultra rare. We finally got an ultra rare. That makes me so happy. When I moved the paper back, I thought that was the only one that we could not see, but there was actually one more. Squeaky clean little laundry detergent thing that somehow I looked over, so we're just going to open it up. See what we got. We have a limited edition squeaky clean little spray bottle. So adorable. I just love these. Last but not least, we have Country Harvest Can. I feel like it was probably going to be corn. Nope. This one is Rockin' Broccoli, and he is rare. Oh my goodness. We finally turned around and started getting rares and ultra rares. Okay, guys. That was my last one, so I guess this is goodbye until my next video. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell right beside it so you'll be notified when I upload another video. So